Hello everyone, this is John from Data Finance. Welcome back to our channel. We are with you on 18th of January afternoon analysis. All right, today is the most volatile day of the week. Actually, as we can see, the reason is everybody is just selling and buying anything. The golds, maybe you have watched that, a lot of volatility. It has just fallen to 18.6 level, and then from that point it just jumped back to 18.20, and then right now trading at 18.14 levels, so high and low. And silver prices has jumped so high, and then just trying to hold the gains. And DAX and Nasdaq has fallen almost 2%, and then they are just rebounding from low levels. So a lot of news, a lot of volatility is happening in the market right now. All right, let me just start with our first chart. As you can see, of our first chart is wheat chart. Wheat as well today is just going high and high, and as you can see from this point, from the last 4 hours, it started from 746, and right now it's $20 higher, and then trading at 766, and most probably it will just make a try to resistance level, and from that level, if we see a consolidation, it may just decline or a rejection, because today the market is not about like a changing the starting and finish point. It's just going up and down. They are just undecided about these kind of things, because the Russia, it's not stepping down, so the things are just changing. You know, Russia is one of the biggest producer of wheat globally, and the price of that one is just going higher. They may just block that one as well, the block wheat as well. That's why people are just buying the future right now. We will see. But right now it's just going up, and in the coming hours we will see probably a test to resistance, and then we will see what will happen at test. It will go higher or it will get rejected. It will be shown, but for the recent days, for the recent weeks, we just see that it's in a tight channel. All right, let's look at our next chart.
You are ready to win with us. GAN Markets.
All right, our next chart is Canadian dollar and Japanese yen. So it's rising and rising. There's two reasons for Canadian dollar just valuation against Japanese yen. First one is oil prices. You know, Canadian dollar is always strong when oil prices high. And the other thing is the Japanese yen monetary policy, and Bank of Japan monetary policy is just losing all the credit lines, and then it's just like making the value of Japanese yen less valuable against their counterparts. That's the reason. So until like right now, as you can see here, it is testing high level of this year, and it is getting closer to 95, 96. As long as it just oil prices goes higher at this level, we will see Canadian Japanese yen will trade higher. But when we just see a decline in oil prices, then we will definitely see a sharp decline in Japanese yen, in this currency pair. That's important. Please just note that one. And it's not happening right now because the strong demand in oil is just happening. But right now, oil prices at the resistance level, and then for the last 8 hours it's not going higher than the resistance level. If we just see a rejection on that side, we will see the same thing is happening as well. As you can see here, it's not more going higher. It's all because of the oil prices. We may see a decline, and then with a sell position you can make profit on this currency pair. Let's look at our last chart. All right, our last chart is GBP USD. As you can see here, GBP USD is on the fall. Reason is dollar index. We have to we have told in our previous videos that dollar index is just on the low levels, and then it will just eventually go up. It cannot stay at this level with the expectation of Fed rate hike. So it's happening right now. It has tested once 37 levels in here, and from that level it started to decline, and now as you can see here it is testing lower levels. It's getting closer to a support line, which is in 135.67 levels, and from that level it will just decide go up or will just accumulate some, because dollar index also like the rise has just stopped, and then it will just accumulating on a current level, and when it just hits to again 96 and then goes towards to 97, we will see decline in GBP USD. But right now, as you can see, and the speed of like a decline has slowed down, and probably we will see a few candles just accumulating if dollar index stops, and also in RSI as well. It just seems that getting closer to third level, so probably we will just see some new range of GBP USD for a few hours. Then dollar index will decide what will happen. Actually, this morning unemployment data and the other things has helped GBP to stay stronger, but dollar index is just big mover, and that's affecting the market right now. Thank you so much for watching us. We will be together on more news, on more analysis. Have a nice and profitable day. Bye.